Hi friends, today we are going to learn finding the day of the week of any date from 500 years calendar. And if I have to tell you, it is very easy to find it out. So for that, uh, how it is important, if we'll say how it is important. So we would have seen in the movie, you would have seen in the movie, Shakuntala Devi. There, Vidya Balan was just asking for the date and year and was telling uh, which day it was in that year on that day. So if you have to tell your friends or amaze anybody, in that case you learn this thing and you can amaze your friends. Okay, so let us find out how it is, uh, how one can find it out. Before starting that, we need to understand certain constants, and those constants are, our first constant is days constant. Days constant means 1 to 30 days we have, for every day there's a constant, but that's not too difficult, because what we have to do, we have to divide that day. Like if it is your date is on 18, so you have to divide it by 7, and then the remainder, like 7 divided by 18 divided by 7 will give you 4 as remainder. So for 18, 4 will be your days constant. Similarly, 1 to 7, it is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 only. For 8 to 14, it is again going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. For 15 to 21, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 29 to 31, it is 1 2 3. It is as per remainder, divided by 7, and the remainder is your constant. Second is the months constant. Months constant we have to memorize, and as I have told you different technique to memorize, you can memorize it using those techniques like number sound technique. And our constant for January is 1, for February is 4, for March it is 4, for April it is 0, for May it is 2, for June it is 5, for July it is 0, for August it is 3, for September it is 6, for October it is 1, for November it is 4, and for December it is 6. So just use number sound technique and you can memorize this. Our third constant is the century constant, means in which century that day is falling, that date is falling. Like if it is falling in 1600 century, you are taking out a date of a, means you are taking out a history date. In that case, for 1600, our constant is 6. For 1700, it is 4. For 1800, it is 2. For 1900, it is 0. For 2000, it is 6. And for 2100, it is 4. So our most of, means our friends and anybody's date will fall either in 1900 or in 2000. Okay. Finally, the years constant, like from 1901 to 1999, for every year there's a constant. But this is also not that difficult, because we have to memorize constant for first 28 years only, and then the numbers are recurring. It is fall, means for constant for 1, 29, 57, and 85 are the same one. For the 2, 30, 58, and 86, constant is same, that is 2. So 1 to 28, we have to, our years constant are 1 2 3 5 6 0, 1 3 4 5 6 1, 2 3 4 6 0, 1 2 4 5 6 0, 2 3 4, and 5 0. And then same we have to repeat again and again. Okay. Now we have find out all the constants. Now how to calculate the day, particular day. After getting all the constant, what we have to do, we have to add everything, like days constant, that is the remainder, plus months constant, plus centuries constant, plus years constant. All 4 constant we have to add, and then again we have to divide by 7. And then resultant, the resultant is going to be our day, means it is indicate the day, which day it is falling. Suppose after dividing everything, you get 28 as your everything you add, and you got 28 as your resultant. So divide that resultant by 7, and then if there's a remainder, if like if you divide 28 by 7, we'll get 0. So there's no remainder. So 0 represent Saturday. How it is represent Saturday, that I'll tell you. But how to calculate if the resultant is less than 7? If the resultant is less than 7, the final answer. If the answer is 1, so we have to consider 1 as a final answer. If it is 6, which is less than 7, so you cannot divide by 7. So 6 is your final answer. But if it is 8, your remainder is 1. So your answer is 1. If it is greater than 7, the final answer is remainder after division by 7. And if it is equal to 7, the answer is 0 or 7. So day of the week chart. If resultant is 1, it is going to be Sunday, 2 Monday, 3 Tuesday, 4 Wednesday, 5 Thursday, 6 Friday, and 7 or 0 is Saturday. Okay. So after considering all the 4 constants, we will add all those 4 constants. Like here it is 6 plus 1 plus 4 is 11. 11 divided by 7 will give us 4 as remainder. So 4 will give us our day as Wednesday. For any regular year, this is going to be the method for calculating the day. But if in case it is falling on a leap year, like 1980 is a leap year. So for only January and February, what we have to do, we have to minus 1. We have to do minus 1. Like if you have a birthday as 10 January 1980, so our day constant is 3, month constant is 1, century constant is 0, and year constant is 2. Everything we add, it comes out to be 6. For 6, it has to be Friday, but it not falling on Friday, it is falling on Thursday. So what we have done, 6 minus 1, and we will get our answer. If the same thing will happen for suppose 18, and you are getting 4 as your resultant. So what you have to do, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Wednesday is going to be your day. Okay, easy. So this is how we can calculate the whole thing. This is simplest as possible. Means we can by using 4 formulas, we can calculate this. Okay, clear? Okay, so I'll stop here. In next lesson, I'll come up with some more interesting concepts and more memory tricks. Okay, so till then, keep learning and keep growing.